Do you want to set yourself free from the limiting beliefs and leverage your true power? Do you want to discover new possibilities and reclaim your freedom? Then don't miss this video. Do watch without skipping and understand more about this self-help book, Conquer Your Beliefs. Hello friends. Today I am reviewing a book titled Conquer Your Beliefs. This has been authored by Mr. Suresh K. Govind. I am glad to review this book on empowering self-belief, discovering new possibilities and reclaiming your freedom. This book helps you to learn how to train your mind to become a better version of yourself. Let us move on to the review to understand a little more about this book and the author. If you are watching this channel for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe and also enable the bell button to get all future notifications. Welcome to HR Optimum and the world of books, where with minimum efforts, you can expand your knowledge, getting optimum benefits. Conquer Your Beliefs offers a simple spiritual approach to unlocking your immense hidden potential. Using simple analogies, powerful quotes, and an honest personal story, the author, Mr. Suresh K. Govind, unravels a range of simple tips and life hacks that are sure to benefit you. In this book, you will discover how your beliefs often determine the choices you make and thus influence your life. You would understand that we comprehend reality based on what we believe to be true. This book will enable you to develop unshakable self-belief and confidence to accomplish your dreams. You will learn how to train your mind to become a better version of yourself. Suresh K. Govind is an author, mentor, and nature lover. Suresh is an avid reader and a lifelong learner with an open mind to various perspectives on life. He holds a niche in personal development and possesses a deep understanding of the areas of spirituality and health. He craves to empower people to realize their immense potential. He has always dared to take risks to build his career in professions with no prior exposure and with a willingness to explore new areas. While studying at college, author Suresh went through a severe nervous breakdown. With the support of family, friends, and his own strong resolving attitude, he courageously overcame this adversity. Later in life, he was blessed with an ecstatic spiritual awakening experience. Suresh is a best-selling author and a widely sought-after mentor. His work reflects lucid writing skills in simple language, sharing profound learnings from his life experiences. Do you often wonder how people do seemingly impossible things while others settle for a mediocre life? Do you feel overwhelmed and anxious being stuck in some areas of life despite your best efforts? Our limiting beliefs act as filters that distort the reality of existence and affect the way we live. What if you could learn effective methods to drop self-limiting beliefs and embody empowering beliefs that work for you and not against you? Want to set yourself free from the limiting beliefs and leverage your true power? Discover a simple strategy to break mental barriers for a life of freedom and fulfillment. Realize that we are on a eternal spiritual journey of growth and evolution. Let unstoppable confidence radiate through you to share your unique talents and gifts. This book is for anyone and everyone convinced about the presence of the human mind's unlimited potential. You deserve to live a remarkable life. Are you ready to live the life you desire? Then don't hesitate. Please do read this book and move up in your life. This book is for all the wonderful people who want to overcome their limitations by leveraging their powerful minds. It is for those who want to discover and implement simple ways to unlock their true potential and lead a life of deep fulfillment. Conquer Your Beliefs is a step-by-step guide that offers a holistic approach to upgrading one's belief system and harnessing unlimited human potential. It will enable you to live to the fullest by going beyond self-created false limits and by unlocking your true power. Here is what you will learn in Conquer Your Beliefs. How to master your beliefs and take the power back to create your destiny. How to befriend the powerful subconscious mind to avoid operating on autopilot. How to overcome limiting beliefs that constrain the way we function in life. How to embody unstoppable confidence and courage to do what you love. Develop unshakable self-belief to accomplish your dreams. Leverage the power of principled beliefs to transform your life. The book became #1 bestseller on Amazon India, US, UK, Canada and Australia. I do hope you will enjoy reading this book and conquer your beliefs. Grab your copies. The Amazon link to purchase this book titled Conquer Your Belief is available in the description box. I have also given links to purchase all the books I have reviewed on my channel and other few recommended books also. I wish you all success. I'll be back again shortly with another video with another book review. Till then, bye bye and take care. Stay happy, safe and healthy. Conquer your belief. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel if not already subscribed. Also kindly do comment and share with others you know. Do remember to click the bell button to get our future notifications. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care and enjoy watching videos.